Alright, so I'm going to show you what this native man did. Indigenous man.
You want to see this little pull apart right here?
He cooked this all last night. That's what I like. That's what I like.
How's that even work? How's that even work? He just got a clock, you know, that just says I
What are you going to do with the chopped up pieces? Put that, make a soup? You should put a piece of fruit or vegetable in its mouth.
Yeah, right. If I had, I don't have it anymore.
Didn't meet you.
Oh yeah. He needs some post moves on. Hey, and scan the court before that step. He get the ball.
Most people use this area for like a taco stand. Not us.
Not us. Not even close.
But even if they're heads up, it takes away from a lot of decisions that they can make.